Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. Oh, wait. Did we just go live? Okay. Good morning, everyone. Once again, let's get this bread. Let's slide this down a little bit. See what we there we go. Looking a little bit better here. Top of the morning. Shout out to the 7 people that have smashed the like button. Appreciate you. Okay, let's see. All right, so we are here. It is what 13 minutes before market open. So we can get here. We can kind of like slow down, chill, relax, see what's going on, talk about what's going on in the market. Mahishu, good morning. Rose Street, good morning. Hope y'all are feeling blessed. I hope y'all are doing well this morning. It's cool to be back up. Shalufsi, you said up early. Hey, I'm always up at this time. It's just normally I'm doing other things. I might have my eye on the market in passing, but nah, I'm always up at this time. You said it's scary out there. We talking about the markets. It can be. I had one put that I swung yesterday, and this is the reason I swung light. I had a 655 put. You see, in the pre-market, we dipped down to 651, but Trump, somebody, let me see if I can find the headline. Let's see if we can find it. Where is it? I may have already like cashed it out. Anyway, somebody asked Trump about. Here, let me see if I can pull it up on CNBC or Moomoo or something. Let me check Moomoo. But they asked if he thought if the tariffs would stand with China, and he said no. So because of that, like it's like whenever he said that, the market started going up, things started moving. Last night, gold hit kind of its high. We also had, if we pull up the VIX, let's see, the VIX kind of spiked this morning at 29. Also, hey, taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin kind of dipped down to 103. So, hey, B, top of the morning. Hey, let's check Market Dash real quick. Let's see if it has anything new for us. Let's see if there was any kind of unusual activity. So, Adobe, UPS, PayPal, top ranking, UNH. All right, I wanna actually look up Oracle. Oracle had that move yesterday. I want to see if anybody did any if any whales came through. All right, wait for it to come in. Where the whales? Where the whales? Where the whales at? Hey, shout out! Hey, good morning. Hey, to the 24 of you chilling, lurking. Just so you know, it's absolutely free. There's a button down there shaped like a little thumb, kind of like this. If you want to smash that. Oh, are we? Hold up. Did not share any whale data. I definitely saw some yesterday. You try to refresh that. That did not load in. All right. Also, while we're doing that, I'm gonna check for headlines. Nice, chill, and lax. Okay. World Bank needs more budget discipline. Hold up. Samuel, top of the morning. New to the game here. Hey, welcome, welcome. All right, so yesterday, looks like looking at Oracle, there were 92,000 shares bought at 313, but there were 170,000 sold at 313 too. Okay, noted. We'll roll through and see. One thing I don't like about TradingView is this column over here, or actually the actual price column on the side, doesn't change while the market is in the pre-market. So I gotta actually like look on a different device, or if I look on my phone, it's like I can see it, but I gotta actually be on the asset to see where it's trading. So I'm looking on my phone right now just to keep y'all updated and posted. Trying to see if I see anything that's jumping out to me. Wait, let me take a quick look at Hood. It's not anything crazy, but it just looks like it's still moving down. Oh, yeah, Robinhood. Did this happen yesterday? Hold up. I didn't even, yeah, Robinhood is below that channel. Robinhood also just hit the 200 moving average as well. They're up a little bit off that. If they fall below that, that could get nasty. Hey, D-Scurv, top of the morning. I'm not sure if you just heard that, but hey, it looks like just this morning pre-market, Robinhood hit the 200 moving average. Hey, if you're someone that's long on Robinhood, it's not a bad area to pick it up. It could still get nicer, but honestly, it's a decent area to pick it up. D-Skirt. Oh, you said Red Friday. We'll see. It was definitely looking nice to start the day. We definitely have this range right here that we can play. I got the SPY pulled up on different time frames. I'm looking out for the market structure. I thought I was hoping I would get paid out, but Trump said no. He didn't think the tariff thing would happen. You said you're long on Hood already. Hey, that's good. That's good. It's another opportunity right here. All right, so going back, I'm trying to look through, see if I see anything of interest. Bro, it's hard when you see like certain stocks just like pumping out of this world that you saw when it was like basically next to nothing earlier this year. You see so many of them. Still have your silver and gold. Do you see gold was do I still have it? Gold, yo, they hit like 403 in the after hours. All right. I don't see any like one thing that looks like too crazy. Hold up. Somebody was that you talking about MSTR? Let's see. Somebody was talking about MSTR yesterday. I see that kind of had a little extra little pullback. Kind of want to take a look and see what's up with that real quick. So we done dipped a little more. Yeah, this 240 looks a little bit more appetizing. Stanley, good morning, good morning. Yes, sir. Unfortunately, did not hold. Yeah, it probably would have held if Trump wouldn't have responded to the question the way he did. All right, hold up. yeah, it'd be nice if everything kind of held how it was yesterday. Cause looking at it, ooh, Azure top of the morning. Oh, hold up, we don't have the poll up. We gotta put the poll up. We gotta have everyone kind of digging in mind too. Is the market, wait, hold up, going to close red or green today? Red, green, break even. All right, y'all, the poll just came out. And be sure to share your opinion. Janky, top of the morning. Oh, hey, top of the morning, Janky. Hey, you're not late. Hey. So, Janky, that happened in the morning. That might be telling us, hey, Spy will likely come back there at some point. We got our pre-market skeleton for the day. As long as the Spy doesn't just like blast off, there's a good point or good chance it'll like make its way back down here. Only thing is, I feel like if it does, they're not gonna make it easy. They'll try to take their time, and they're gonna be playing with the theta today. All right, so yeah, once again, going through the list, don't see any major movers on the day or in the pre-market. Or I think everything moved major, but nothing has moved major after all the. Actually, Rigetti's down 7%. Yeah, Rigetti's one. Where they at? Yeah, Rigetti is down 7% in the pre-market. So that's one. I could actually, that put that I held to the very end might, hey, I could end up getting paid out on it. All right. John Mutcherson. Hey, what's up? Top of the morning, John. Did you hear the massive shorts on Bitcoin and crypto more than double the amount? Really? No, I did not. I did not. Hey, but if we all right, we got two. Okay, we're about to open. Okay. We are open. Top of the morning. Market open. Hey, smash the like button. Send that good energy. All right. And top of the morning. Here, let's see. Let me get. All right, so first move of the day. All right, so SPY right off the back. We're retesting this 13 EMA on the 15. Dang, Oracle. Oracle is taking it from that move they had yesterday. Wow. Here, we'll pull back on gold a little bit, see what they look like on the 15. Most of us said red on the. Hey, we'll see D-Skirt. We'll see. I feel like we had a pretty bullish start to the morning because we like sold off yesterday. We'll see what they give us. I'm mostly pay attention to. Wait, hold up. So SPY on the 1 hour. On the cool, it's kind of bullish on the 1 hour. Let me zoom in real quick. Oh yeah, all those candles are blue. So this whole thing right here is a range. So still need to kind of give the market time to set its skeleton, but oh my goodness, Oracle. That would have been a if somebody decided to short from that pop yesterday, oh my, that would have been some money right there. Oracle's falling so much harder than everything. Gold's coming down. Oh, this is a 15-minute though. Hey, top of the morning. Top of the morning, Sarah. Yeah, I guess YouTube doesn't send out the notifications well, but yeah, I had it scheduled on the channel. So I'm trying to do Friday mornings at at open. Yeah, Oracle, dang, it's down like almost 5%. Rigetti's down 6. So Rigetti's kind of like holding up from that 7 it was down. But also, we're only 3 minutes in. I'm usually not like watching like this. So this first 15 to 30 minutes doesn't even necessarily mean anything. Or it does, but I ain't see anything just ready to pop off. So one potentially though. Here, what's this? This is so like one or 57.93 to be like a quick dollar move. I might be willing to go for that. Here, let me get like a quick one in or something. If should the opportunity provide for that, just for the purposes of content, it'd probably be too fast to share with the family, but just to show concept. Should we get that sweep? Let's see what we can do. See if that says up. Dang, wait. Ooh. These contracts are trying to these zero DTEs are pricey. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna need that to take its time. Yeah, I wouldn't go for that. Contracts are, or at least a SPY. That's pricey. What's the VIX at? All right, we got gold coming down. Let me check in on Bitcoin. Oh, it's right there. Oh yeah, gold pulling back some more. Okay, gold looks like it may have just swept something though. I don't ever watch gold like this, so let's see. Stanley, yes they are. Yeah, you know they're gonna be out with the tricks today. Yeah, I'm gonna have to throw the hood on. But yeah, let's see how gold reacts here. This could be a little sweep action right here. See how it responds. I don't know. I don't ever watch gold. See if it can get back above like 395, even just for a little bit. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. Kong, good morning. Also, yo, to the 27 people that smashed the like button, I appreciate you. And to the lurkers lurking, hey, this is your friendly reminder. It's absolutely free to, hey, smash the like button just below the video. Let's see. Hey, what's up, M Sense? Top of the morning. I'm still in the silver call. Good morning. Oh, I was it the one that what did it expire on like Monday? I know that's not doing so hot. Ooh, hold up. Let's take a look at BMNR and say it's at like 49 or okay. It's getting close. It's getting close. Right now we're not really doing too much though. I was hoping we got like some kind of like gold is doing something. Gold is saying like, oh yeah, the SPY might want to just go up. So if we come and sweep this, I'll go. No, not no guarantees because the price I saw in the contracts I wasn't loving. Let's see. Yeah, the zero DTEs they're insane. What's the delta looking like on these? Yo, it's not even worth it. Cold as ice. Hey, hey Tracy, appreciate you. Yeah, Monday thought SPY was it, bro? It's because of this. Trump. This morning he had said that thing. Honestly, I don't think we're safe in either direction. Right now, we're still. This is the range right here. This whole little 601 to down to 651, but we're not safe. Know that. Hit the like, hey, 100%. Appreciate you, cold as ice. 201. Hit the like button is free. All right, so it's looking like we might be sweeping this GLD level. But we're 9 minutes in. I'm over here. Hey, getting better on the likes, getting better. The ratio starting to look a little better, look a little more right. Happy Friday. That it is. The sun is shining. It is, or at least yesterday. I hadn't gone outside yet. Let me see. It's weather right now. It's weather where you can wear a sweater in Texas in the morning. Right now in Dallas, like not a must, but it's like yo, if I'm wearing a sweater, I'm cooling. Like it's good. All right, BMNR selling off some more. Where's Bitcoin? Yeah, we just. Oh, hold up. I'm still in a put. I forgot about that. Like, and that put expires today. I think like there's still a good chance it'll pay off. I just need to see kind of here. Let me look at some things. So this is the 4 hour. That's the range. So 4 hour range is all the way up from 668.72 to here. We still got 2 hours. Oh, okay. So I'm not gonna. We're not really gonna get our clarity. So I'm gonna have to use the EMAs today. Like looking for that. We'll have to see how we're doing here. Silver attempting to get back over the halfway. Yeah, we can pull that up. We can pull that up. Well, actually, gold is look, it's making that move I said it was. So yo, it came, swept this level, and all we were looking for was about this or all we were looking for is about 395.53. After it moves back up there, it's satisfied. It's like when I'm not taking trades, I'm still taking trades just to, or I'm taking trades technically. And where's the 200? Is it 200 on this chart? Nope. Let's turn that on. Another thing that's tough about like the beginning of the day is like sometimes you want to like trade with volume or like trade considering, oh, volume's kind of low in comparison. Like when you look at, oh, not to start the day actually. The start of the day is higher than the start of yesterday. But like kind of when it comes to the end, it's like, yes, nothing yet. But unless we get some headlines, this is going to be like the lowest or the highest volume candle of the day. Do I do this every morning? So usually it's at 10:30, and Monday through Thursday is private. But yeah, I do it every morning, but I only do it at this time on Fridays. Or I'm just now, today is the day I came back to doing this on Friday. I'm hoping we just sell off from here if I'm being honest, cuz if we look at it on the 15, you can see we kind of had a little liquidity up here. And we're just selling off. We're moving below the 13 EMA. The 13 EMA has remained crossed. As well on the 15. Yeah, it looks like SPY's going down. You and me both. Because I would like to those of you coming in that was not on yesterday's stream and unaware, I am holding a 655 put SPY put that expires today that I swung from yesterday as kind of like insurance. And in pre-market, we came down here, we hit 651. So any kind of downside today is beneficial. But ultimately, just kind of wanted to update y'all on that, let y'all know so y'all are aware. If y'all don't see me take any new trades, know that I am holding that. It's like I grabbed that yesterday just so that I didn't necessarily have to buy buy anything, or so that I didn't have to take a day trade. I wanted to call too, but I didn't really get it didn't pull back low enough yesterday for me to buy calls. But yeah, it'll be good if we keep seeing GLD run up. See Bitcoin come down. I want to see everything hit where it did in the pre-market. I'd love to see Rigetti get back where it was in the pre-market too. That'd be amazing. But as of right now, we're still kind of chilling. And then also we have some liquidity over here as well. This 597 or 598 kind of area on the SPY. It could push us up to at least like 659, 660 or so. And in a $20 call on TSLL from yesterday, what's Tesla looking like? We can take a look at Tesla, see what kind of what the thesis would be. So notice Tesla was in somewhat of a downward channel. It looks like it broke and retested. Oh, hold on. Let's turn the volume back on. Tesla needs some volume or a catalyst. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if Tesla consolidates till its earnings, since its earnings is on, like, it looks like Tesla has earnings next week. So that's very soon. So honestly, I would be surprised if, or wouldn't be surprised if Tesla just kind of chilled. How do I get your private channel? So it's still the same channel. The videos are just unlisted, and it's the first link in the description, the one talking about WAP. Oh, hold up. U.S. financial stocks, particularly regional banks, crashed following fraud disclosures from Scions. Hold up. Where'd it go? Was that like a summary? Because that does not say the same thing. All right, SPY pushing up a little bit for now. Hey, would it be a... Wait, hold up. Huh? This must be some kind of manipulation. Oh yeah, that's definitely... I was gonna say, okay. Oh, that's kind of annoying. There we go. Got my portfolio looking artificially different. People trying to like manipulate options chain, so bro, where's the Oracle? Let me check in on that. Oh yeah, Oracle got tapped, man. All right, so we got some selling pressure around this 661 area. Let me check and see what the volume on the, or what the value of those SPY contracts are. It's still up there. It's like normally for a 0 DT, I'm willing to pay up to like 70 if it's within like $2 or $3. But yeah, if I want to pay 70, it's like $6 out of the money. But I'm not really being shown that we're gonna get a move like that. Oh, I'm glad you see it cold as ice. Also have weekly Zoom calls on Wednesday. And building out course stuff in there, but it's kind of like trickling in. So I don't really talk much about it being a course or anything. There's not like too much in there, just like some really basic stuff. George, good morning. Let me take a look at VIX. Okay, you got Tesla moving up. Who's it? And yeah, I hope it pops off for you. What's I about to look at? Oh, we're about to retest this trend line to the downside. So let's see if we can get up to this 200 moving average on the 15. So we're still here for, oh, hold up. Are we getting across of these EMAs? Or am I crazy? They might be crossing. Yeah, I think they might be crossing. Let me see what it looks like on the 5. Oh, well above on the 5. I'm gonna chill on the 5 for a bit until we do some expanding. Also in the plug put about to expire. So it should still be the same as it was yesterday. I said yesterday, I said there wasn't really much reason to take a put. I'm gonna stand on there. I'm gonna stand on business and say there's not much reason to take a put from where it is. Like I see this little downward channel. So that's kind of that's my take on it. Like it's pretty neutral, but that seems like a trade that was just taken to be taken or just to take a trade. Oh yeah, let me get off the 4 hour. I'm not seeing the gravity of Tesla's movement. Barclays increase. Hold on, let me. Okay, so Tesla got some. Okay, they got a price target upgrade. Let's see. All right, SPY just crossed the trend line too. Let me hop back to the 15. See if we can confirm. What's that doing? Gold looks like it's trying to hold up though. Oh, I was about to look up Tesla. Hold up. So this might be a opportunity right here. Where we at? How's my SPY put? My SPY put's at like 83. Almost feel like I. Yeah. All right, so we recovered to like the midpoint. Okay, let me go back to the 5. Yeah, we're getting to overbought territory on the 15. Yeah, I guess Tesla just got some price target upgrades. This feels like a good time to short, but also I'm no confirmation yet. So there's no reason to get in. I already have got to keep my positions light because of all the volatility. It's a Friday. Let's see how this candle holds up, and then the one after it. Sure did say that I'm still learning. We're all learning, all learning. Silver moving up as SPY moves up. Storm. They'll end up getting more matched up. They don't move exactly together, but question is which one is moving ahead of which. We got gold moving down. We got Bitcoin kind of chilling. We got the VIX moving down, I believe. Yeah, while the VIX is still kind of pulling to lows, it'll be like this. All right, so right now seeing some selling pressure on the SPY 200 EMA on the 15. Nothing crazy though. It's like it's doing just enough to kind of keep us in this. Yeah, don't know what's going on right now. They want us in this range of comfort. All right, gold selling off. Yeah, still haven't gone anywhere. All right, so that first candle, that first 15, we failed to close above like the pre-market high. We made a new high, but we failed to close above it. Palantir apple green on the day. Yeah, we got Adobe and Intel green on the day as well. Pfizer a little green. Palantir is barely green. I feel like the market is up, but things aren't really up. Tesla's up a little bit. I don't think it's gonna last. Like I think we're I'm not sure how crazy they're gonna let it go, but I don't think we're gonna really do anything to the upside. Here, let's see. We're coming back to test this 13 EMA. Let's see if we hold it. Hey, good morning, Patrick. Hey, appreciate that, family. Hey, D community, what's up, family? What is up? Glad to see you. You got hey, welcome. Been a minute. All right, so we're selling on down. But yeah, I'm not liking that we're pulling back on the gold. We're moving up. The VIX is moving up though. I would like to see the VIX get back where it was in pre-market, but we don't really have anything like causing that. Not right now. Yeah, gold is pulling on back. Maybe it pulls back to its 200 moving average. But right now they're just playing with us. So we just like closed out the first 30 minutes of the day. They didn't give us anything. Not yet. It's really just been a bunch of scalp trades. Nothing. Ooh, hold up. Wait, hold on. Let me compare this. Okay, so Ethereum's down like 2.5%. What's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's down 2. Okay, it's down 2%. Okay. I was just like, yo, Ethereum looks like it's down. But we got gold pulling back some more. All right, SPY trying to retest this area again. Let's see if it can actually do anything this time. Let's also hydrate a little bit. All right, gold pulling back. Gold pulling back. My gold is losing its value. Oh, let's see how the dollar's doing real quick. Oh, y'all see that? Hey, we got the value of the dollar rising. Hey, just know we're not safe. If this keeps running up, the SPY being up like this is they're playing with us. So yeah, if the value of the dollar is increasing, that's going to lead to the value of stocks going down as well as the value of gold going down as well. Or at least like in comparison to the dollar. So that would be one way that gold can go down and the SPY could go down at the same time. But yeah, if we have that dollar rising, hey Miguel, what's up, homie? What's up? Hey, that's so funny, bro. I thought you were, bro. There's this dude I've gone to school with since like first grade. Exact same name. Exact same name. I saw your page, bro. I'm like, oh shoot. I'm like, Miguel's in the gym now. I'm like, hey, that's what's up. I'm like, homie changed his life around, but nah, hey Miguel, that's what's up. I see your stories and stuff, and hey, keep doing what you're doing, man. I think you're on the right track. Love to love to see you in the gym, man. Or not you specifically, but or I guess you specifically, but in the not weirdest way possible. Love to see you in the gym, man. It's like discipline in one area of our life translates to other areas as well. So that's gonna carry over. Keep it up, bro. All right, so gold is at this what is it? It's at the 200 moving average. We got the dollar pushing up though. Once again, I'm not trusting this move up. And so that's probably why I keep noticing them moving in the same. Yes, that's why I was trying to say that. Like if the dollar is moving up, um, like here the relationship we're gonna call it. It's not like the Holy Trinity, but it's a Trinity. Okay. All right. So we got the dollar, we got gold and silver, so precious metals, and we got the S&P. All right. So first we'll start with the relationship between gold, the precious metals, and the S&P. So there is often an inverse relationship between the S&P and the and precious metals because of the fact that whenever people are scared to have their money in the S&P, they want more tangible assets like gold. All right, so when things get a little more risky, money will flock towards gold and precious metals. All right, so typically when you see gold going up, the SPY will be coming down, or when the SPY is coming up, the gold will come down. But then you have the dollar. Over here on the side, the dollar is going to be the thing that kind of has the dollar is what we use to value them. So if the dollar value of the dollar is using the rock system, say you can get 20 rocks with a dollar today, and now, as time goes on, now $1 only gets you, or let's say the value actually goes up, and now you can get like 50 rocks with a dollar. That is going to make the value or the physical numerical value of SPY go down. That would essentially be like cutting it in half. So yeah, as the value of the dollar goes up, which on screen is going to be DXY, we should see the SPY and gold go down as well. And they won't usually exactly move together in real time, but they will end up getting matched up at some point. Hey, for sure, Miguel. Hey, Nunette, good morning. Today is one of them days where, yeah, I mean, we haven't gone anywhere. It's like it's here knocking at the front door, but that's why I got it up on 3 different time frames, because it's like it's telling a lot of different stories. Like we're still in a bearish range on the 4 hour. So right now we're really consolidating. On the 1 hour, we're bullish from like down here, this low we made pre-market from like 650, 140. You can say the range as of right now has pushed up to 662.55. And then on the 15, we're kind of just chopping it up. We did kind of like, we just crossed on the 13. The 13 crossed above the 48 just barely, but we're not really doing anything. We're like declining on volume. So I'm gonna be real, I lean towards us like coming down, but they like to play games. And who knows, it might happen after the stream. They might wait till like Monday or Tuesday next week to do it. Or over the weekend, Trump might be like, "Oh, we got a deal," or oh, it's too much hanging in the balance. So it's like I gotta have my go very light on whatever I do. On my 5 minutes looks bullish, but always feel like a huge dip will come. Nah, yeah, that's exactly what's going on. Like a lot of people been asking me what I'm doing this week. I'm like, yo, most part I'm just watching. It's like I closed out of some stuff. Didn't close out of stuff in the best positions this week. I think I maybe won like 2 or 3 trades this week, and then I had to take some L's. But wow, learn something new daily. What's up with Mara? I'm in a put. Someone suggested look good. I'm green so far. Mara, I don't know, they mine crypto, so they might also have something to do with data centers, but they're a miner, so we got gold. I know they own like they own crypto, so their value should be going down because of the fact that we actually, the Ethereum's down 2.5% on the day. Bitcoin's down 2.6% on the day. Shoot, Ethereum might be down more now. Ethereum's down like 3% now. So that would be probably a good part of why it's down. But Tesla's going. So that could be something to bring up the SPY. We got the SPY at the 200 EMA again on the 15-minute. That's the 48 EMA on the 1 hour and the 13 EMA on the 4. All right, we got 2.5 minutes left on this candle on the 15 minutes. Let's see if this can be the first one that closes above that pre-market resistance. It's at 1850 October 24th. Pay 65 up to, okay. Possibly. I'm not like too big of a fan of like trading the miners with, or at least with options, because unless you buy them low and you get time and swing some calls. But I would say they do like to go down. So I would say that's the more favorable side of that to trade. All right, still got a little over a minute on this candle. Let me get in on Moomoo and look at the options analytics. Yo, Tesla going crazy here. Let's see. It's pretty decent sized wall on Tesla at 440. Okay. Hey, we're up here. All right, looks like we're about to close. About to close up here. Or at least on the 15. All right, let's see if we can get one candle that completely lives up here. Looks like we're about to, let's see if we can get confirmation. Yeah, gold is it's kind of selling off kind of hard, but it's oversold. It's at another level. Oh, gold looks like it's about to fill in the gap, actually. Let's see. Let's go to like a 4-hour real quick. Oh, I guess gold filled the gap in. Yeah, looking at gold. Yeah, gold might go again. Here, let's try that. Let's try that. I feel like that's lower risk. Let's see how much options on GLD are. Oh, they're kind of pricey. Even the 0 DTEs. How about next week? Or, right? Yeah, these options, they are pricey. Okay. No, it's too good to be true. Uh, yeah, I can't find anything that's just priced right. Will to the feed. Good morning. I used the 13, 48, and 200 EMAs. All right, we got the dollar pulling back. All right, let me take a look at something. Let me see something real quick. All right, this may go bad, but I just grabbed a 657 0 DTE. It's a put. Just uh just in case. This seems like a good area. I like the risk to reward. So I said, hey, we'll see, cause I feel like I can still see us kind of coming back to this area. It may not even happen while we're on stream. The SPY may just kind of go up and go crazy, but I like the risk to reward. Oh, you said silver is cheaper. Here, let me pull up the silver chart. Let's hold on. Let's make sure I'm clicked the right way. Oh, silver's in a different position relative to gold though, because you see, looking at the EMA, silver is gold was pretty much at its 13 EMA. Silver is well past that, but it's also like it has support coming up. But if we go back to gold, gold is here. It's kind of like where gap fill is. Trump says threatened high tariffs on China, not sustainable. That might be bullish. Oh, that's no, that's what he said earlier. Here, y'all can listen on my mic. Okay, that's enough of that. But let's see. All right, so we are. Let's see. Up like 4% on that put. Let's see if anything comes of it. IDK what? So I don't think he changed his mind. I think his answer was honestly an honest statement. It's annoying that everything seems back and forth though. Like it's like why even say that? Because it's like if the president of China or whatever is gonna, is it a prime minister? I don't know if it's president or prime minister or whatever. Xi Jinping, uh, if he or when he hears or sees that, it's like he's gonna be like, oh nah, he said it himself. It's not sustainable. We don't have to give into that deal. And it's like, oh yeah, we just wait out the pain. It's like a game of chicken, and they're both pretty stubborn, but it almost seems like he's more willing to watch his country crash and burn than Trump is. So I don't know. Yes. So we'll see what happens. The market likes to hold on to like seemingly every piece of positivity it can, because the market is mad resilient. Like even I still like, it's hard for me to believe that like it was down at 651 this morning, because I swung a put. I was like, yo, if I'm in the green on this at open, I'm taking profit. If I was if it would have opened up there, I would have had an easy at least 500 profit off that. But it was is what it is. Off just one single put that I think I didn't pay too much for. I wish China and the U.S. can make peace, but I knew it wasn't going to happen because China said they were going to fight trade war until then. Yeah, it's bro, it is what it is. I don't even know what to say, think, or feel about it because yeah, I really don't. What good does being the world leader really? Oh, I feel like both countries are pretty pretty good. Why can't everyone just get along? We're all humans. Let's see. So right now, so looking on the 4 hour and 1 hour chart, it's looking like we're kind of struggling to hold above like 602. We'll see what happens with this 15-minute candle. What are the ads like right now? I should have those where they're not popping up. Okay, yeah, we got it right. I was just yeah, the lurk to like ratio was looking good. Well, actually, we got one lurker. Somebody's lurking. Dominique, hey, what's up? Welcome. Better late than never. I don't think you missed too much. I grabbed the put. I would say the put is more off of feeling. Like there's stuff to like there's no confirmation for that put. It's a put based off feeling. We still got like less than 5 minutes on this candle. We'll see where we go with it. All right, so Tesla doesn't look like it got past that wall at 440. That wall looks like it's still holding up. That was a good little move to start the day, though. But yeah, if things that were moving like Tesla don't keep it up, it's going to be hard for the SPY to really keep doing its thing. All right, they're trying to push this up back up to the 603. Let me see what we're looking like on the 5. If I can't find a setup by 11:30, won't trade today. Just to, honestly, it might be one of those days where it's like down to the last. Oh, they like to run out the theta and then just have one foul like little move at the end of the day. Seems like what they've been doing. I notice we got the lurkers coming up. Hey family, hey, this is your friendly reminder that just below the video, you scroll down just a little bit lower, yo, there is an icon shaped like, I don't know if y'all can see me down in the screen, but it's shaped like this. Might be a different color, different hue. You go down there, just smash it, change the color, make it it'll dance and do a little animation for you. Smash that like button, family. Looking like GLD and silver may have hit their, yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's when I bought my my put on the SPY. It was like it looked like gold had filled in this gap. So right here we can see there's this gap on gold, and it also lines up with the 13 EMA. So I was like, hey, seems like we could get a bounce from there. So I was like, yo, let's try to go for downside. So Samuel, I do Monday through Thursday, I do it privately. And then on Friday, yeah, every Friday I'm live at 8:30, like at market open. And then Monday through Thursday, I'm live at 10:30, and that's Central Time, so 2 hours after market open. All right, so we're getting a little pullback action. All right, let's see. SPY pulling back a little bit, just a little bit, nothing crazy. Up like 2% on that put I grabbed. Not as exciting as last Friday. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, DK. I'm like, yo, we're gonna get on, and I'm gonna get on in the morning when there's all the excitement, and I'm here for the excitement. And they're like, oh yeah, we're moving the excitement. Yep, excitement postponed. So it is what it is. But I'll be here early on Fridays. All right, we got Bitcoin pulling back. Let's we got gold moving up, Bitcoin pulling back. Where did it go? Let's pull Bitcoin up. Yeah, Bitcoin kind of trying to make its way back to the low that it made. This is the lowest that Bitcoin has been today while the market's been open. All right, so M-Sense, that's probably helping Mara for you. This BMNR, ooh, BMNR is getting close to that $46 level too, or it's getting closer. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Opportunity is on the rise. It is on the rise, family. Tesla's still up 7% on the day. All right. Hey, family said 55% red, 30% green, and 15% mean. No, I'm kidding. 15% break even. Let's go. All right. SPY back. When I get to the 5-minute, let me go back to the 15-minute. Okay, so we're back below the 200 EMA on the 15-minute. Bread guy, good morning. Are you ready to get this bread? I had a bagel this morning. Only reason I said that is because I consider that to be bread. But yeah, I had a bagel this morning. It was all right. Just out of curiosity, does anybody in the chat right now live in Prosper, Frisco? Just out of curiosity. If not, yo, just keep on keeping on. All right, let's see. Hey, we're kind of pulling back a little bit. See if we can get back to the 13 EMA on the what is it? On the SPY or on the 15-minute. Up 15% on Mara. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Silver hate me eating up all my little money. Won't let me average down, just keeps dipping. Hey, I mean when it dips, that is a chance to average down. It's just oh we're hold up, what was that? Oracle shares retreated more than yeah, Oracle is getting smacked today after trading in borrowed shares that were short more than almost 5 million borrowed Oracle shares that were sold short changed hands Thursday. Is that what the move was? Oh, we'll have to see about that. Yeah, let's take a look at Google. It looks like Google's kind of continuing that move I was talking about yesterday. See. Let's go to a 4-hour. See how it looks on the 4. Oh no, Google. I guess Google made the move I was talking about in pre-market actually. Okay. I think I would be a like an extra like fire trader if I had the money to just trade like shares, like if I could grab like 100 shares or something instead of grabbing an option and just have my stuff set for 24 hours or have the 24-hour markets. Yo, I could set the exact price levels and that'd be nice. Technically, Oracle has a gap down to fill. if you're talking about an Oracle gap down, I don't think I want to see the gap down you're talking about. Let's see. Like, hopefully it's not like, I hope you're not talking about this gap to like 245, because I don't want to see that gap. Well, that'll be a beautiful buying opportunity, but I did not take profit on those calls I had yesterday when they came back to life. But if we get the move that we're supposed to, or not necessarily supposed to, but if we get, well, actually, yeah, I would say supposed to. If we get any kind of move like what we're supposed to on the SPY, I'll take care of all that. It'll be fine. Yeah, that's an extreme gap down. But hey, do we not remember the extreme gap up it had? That was earnings, and then it was like, yeah, it was insanity. All right, so SPY is almost back to that 13 EMA on the 15-minute. All right, on the 1 hour, it's still continuing to show resistance, kind of at, I guess, at the 661 kind of area. I appreciate y'all, family. The lurk like ratio is looking good. It's looking good. Appreciate y'all smashing the like button. SPY, let's go to, yes, let's get to 651. I'm here for it. 651, more like 650 fun. Very much here for that. Yeah, let's have another what was it, like 2 days ago when it like ran up to like 670 and then it like dropped $10? Or I think it dropped like $11. It was like 670 down to like 659. I could go for another or a similar kind of day like that. And let's get gold back to the top. Hey, feel free to like rocket that dollar too. SPY to 622. Yes, let's do that. Let's say flash cash, SPY 622. Let's make that happen. Oracle is feeling it, man. Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? I think Mr. Krabs is feeling it. I wanted to take a look at Apple's website. I know they heard they dropped some stuff quietly. So that was in their actual event. I've seen like a lot of people talking about like, yeah, so they dropped a new MacBook Pro. Let's see what else. I think they dropped a new iPad. I think. Oh yeah, iPad Pro. Would love to see gold back to 400, silver back to 50. Hey, I think it has it in it. We'll see. Let's see if we can get below this 13 EMA on the SPY on the 15-minute. We're there. I'm liking this candle on the 1 hour on the SPY. And it's starting to get like likable on the 4 hour as well. Think I'm going to buy like a dollar with the US dollar index just so I can always, that's something I do too. I try to like, I'll do that like in my Roth. I on Robinhood, just because of the way it is, like certain things, if I just want to like track the price and want to see it there, I'll just buy like a fractional share of like $1 of it. I don't necessarily care to own it, but I want to track it. I know those of you that have been on stream all week y'all are already like familiar with this, but just want to take a moment to show y'all these this is real gold right here. These are like gold dollar bills. They're made from real gold, and they can actually be used. And what is it like? They can actually be used as legal tender in certain states. And just want to say, if you are interested in getting some of this free, if you go to hold up, we're pushing up. We definitely pushed up from that 13 EMA. There was some buying pressure there. They're trying to mess with me. But anyways, if you go to what was it like, free gold back? Let me pull it. The link go. I think it's like freegoldback.com. If you go to freegoldback.com, they will send you one of these free. I got like $12 worth of gold right here. And also, if they ask where you when they ask how you found out about them, just type Matthew Manuel. Let me make my face a little smaller now. Oh, there we go. There we go. You said you do that with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's down almost 3 today. All right, so we're back to that 13 EMA. Yeah, we're making moves down. Definitely a good amount of selling pressure. You look on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and the 15 minute. The last two candles were nice. We'll see. We just got a new candle. It's just a baby right now. All right, trying to hold up. Is that me? Oh, whoever just smashed that like button, appreciate you. It did not go unnoticed. Definitely saw that number change. Yeah, we'll see how we do here. Oh, we got 3 new lurkers. Welcome to the chat, family. I don't know who you are that just joined, but welcome. I think I scared them away. Now it's just one. Hey, you are the chosen one. When bulls and bears have the same amount of buying and selling pressure, does that? Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, usually when it's pretty balanced, yeah, you won't really see too much movement or you'll be very range bound. I would say that, Nunet. I would say that is a very fair assessment. All right. So as of right now, we're still respecting that 13 EMA on the what is it? The what time frame? Still respecting the 13 EMA on the 15-minute time frame. This is insanity. What time did I normally get off? I normally go off at like 10:30 or 11. I might have to do stuff while I'm on stream. I might still like chill here. I just might need to, cause I might like still passively watch the market. All right, so here's what's gonna happen. I need to set up like a Christmas tree. So I'm gonna be here watching stocks and stuff, but I'm about to like low key set up a. I'm about to unbox a Christmas tree at the same time. All right, let's see. Thank you for the gold back info. Those are hey Patrick. I'm saying once again, like if y'all with the gold back, if you do do that, yo, make sure hey, put my name. I'm trying to get them to send me more. Cause honestly, if I realized if I would have made a video with them like right there, they would have given me some more. Yeah, I would have probably done one right on the spot. Shoot, let me got me wondering when this little FinCon thing is. Oh, it's in September. Oh, it's in California. Okay. Palm Springs. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go there. I appreciate that, Patrick. Big time. Like I have the contact, but I don't on the cool. I don't want to be the first one to reach out, or at least not to brands. It's like you usually have more negotiating power when they reach out to you first. Oh, it's silver. It's silver pumping. Let's see. Sorry, I got distracted. I was like looking at. Okay, good little pump off the bottom. Sorry, now I'm looking at this whole FinCon thing. All right, we still got that selling pressure being shown. All right, so we're still not doing much. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get this Christmas tree on the cool, and I gotta like unbox and set it up. Ooh, just to kind of be a little more efficient. I can still see the screens and stuff. I'll still like check in and whatnot. It's just kind of been here, just chilling for some days. Still looking good on the. We got 5 minutes on this first. Is that the first hour? No. We got 5 minutes left on this hour candle though. I would really like to see us sell below this 13 EMA. Oh yeah, hey. At 15 minutes, hey, it looks like it's looking like we're coming down. Palantir, Tesla, strongest on the day. Hey, silver look like it's popping now. But here, let's go Tesla. Let's see. Tesla looks like when you zoom out on Tesla on the 4 hour, you see a lot of resistance right here at this 440 area. Let's see, where's Palantir? Oh, it's right there. Palantir is at like break even basically. All right, oh yeah, we're coming down on the spot. Let me check in on my. Hey, Palantir had pushed up, but yeah, they're. We're getting kind of red. All right, so hey, looks like we're stringing in another. We still got like 3 minutes on this candle. This 15-minute candle. Let's see. Oh, that SPY puts up like 55% or 50%. I didn't even realize it. Hey, that's some good stuff right there. I'm here for that. So honestly, that's solid right there. That's a good little. Hold up, Amazon just hit. They just hit some kind of level. I don't know. I just got an alert. It was on the weekly chart. Oh, D-Scurv. This was that next level. That next level from whenever we were talking with Devin, and yeah, when I was like, I still can't see it going up. It's like I think it has a big move coming, but it's like it seems like it needs to come down first. To be fair, I think it came up here first before it came down. But yeah, it came down to that level. Here, let's go to a weekly because that was the level it hit on. All right. Oh yeah, so there's some like buying pressure here. This might be a good buy area for Amazon. We'll keep that in mind. Yeah, that's Amazon at the 48 EMA. We got some liquidity here. Ooh, hold up. Yeah, this looks like a good buy for Amazon. Let me see what that. When is Amazon's earnings? September, wait, October 30th? Hold up. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I can get something extra cheap. Okay, they got some 31st options. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm buying a wild Amazon earnings play. Got some time on it. Got till November 7th. I just bought a 255 Amazon call expiring November 7th. So if there's any kind of run up leading into their earnings, then I'm in on that. And if they want to make any kind of run to their highs at all, anything like that, cool. If not, that's still fine. Let me alert the family on that. Ooh. Like that seems like a decent area to buy it. It's like it could get a little worse, but it's still. Gold bull flagging. All right, so real quick, let me alert the family about that real quick. Let's just grabbed an Amazon 255 call expiring 11/7, paid 0.96 per share. Period. This covers earnings and can capture any potential run-ups. All right, let's see. I gotta change that to the ticker symbol. All right, let's get that picture in there. There we go. Yeah, so I did like that one today. All right, we still got gold moving up. So yeah, we'll see if anything comes of that. I'm up $1 on it. That might just be because of y'all. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see if anything comes of that. Back to this Christmas tree. Please, what does your blue line mean? It means it's a level of support or a level of resistance. Is it time to buy Amazon? So I do want to preference that this is on a weekly chart. So I only got like 3 weeks of time. but Amazon does have earnings on the 30th, so which is in like a little under 2 weeks. So because of that, I see there's like some liquidity here. They're at the 48 EMA. This is the weekly time frame. They're still below this trend line, but if anything can like slap them up, it could be that. So, and I have a week past earnings, so if their earnings goes really well or if it anything like that, it can go crazy. So we'll kind of have to see with that, but it has a lot of potential. There should be opportunities to sell out beforehand too, but yeah. And just know the closer to the money you get on that, you'll probably see a greater return. Just saying. I just had a budget that I was trying to work with, so that's why I got the price I got. But closer to the money might yield you more. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but yeah, just throwing that out there. Amazon does look kind of nice. My wife's gonna get home. She's gonna see this Christmas tree, and she's gonna be like, "Yo, it is too early for all this." But hey, it's all good. This thing's gonna make a mess. All right, let's see. Okay, you're live really hurt. Oh, what's up, Devin? Uh, oh yeah. So Devin on Fridays now I go live at 10:30. I guess YouTube's not good at sending out the alerts. I've been trying to schedule my streams so that people can see them, but oh, Devin, we were just talking about Amazon. Amazon finally hit that one level, just for the record, too. So I hope all's well. I've been missing, probably still will still be missing for a while. Hey, but appreciate you stopping by and saying what's up, bro. But yeah, I hope all is well, family. Uh, yeah, back to this tree. Oh, G, nice. I'm just seeing that you said sell off at 11. Hey, let's get it. We got Euro closing like what, like 25 minutes. So we'll see what kind of action we get then too, if we get any. We've really not really been moving too much today. Oh, this thing looks like, yeah, nice and flocked up. Yes. Oh, that's messy on the cool. That's it's gonna be a little bit messy. I'm gonna have to vacuum up. So we always put the Christmas tree up after. Same. The only reason I am putting this tree up right now is to review it. I reviewed the Christmas tree yesterday. That thing did not look anything like a picture. It looked like, or like the listing online, yo, the tree looked nice. It looked full. I'm like, yo, this is a good price for this tree. But nah, I got the tree and it looked like the tree from Charlie Brown. All right, we're pushing up a little on the SPY. We'll see if this lives. We still got like 8 minutes on this. But this tree, this actually it's looking like it's what it said it is. Money is getting thinner the longer I have to not be paid. So, I very understandable. Devin, that's honestly a smart move by you. I think it's very responsible. I think historically the longest one, um, was 34 days. So I think that means we're about like halfway through it. So, yo, I would say hang. I know it's easier said than done, but hang in there. Hang in there, family. Anyone like Portillo stock? What's the ticker symbol? How much did I pay for the Amazon call? I got it for 96 cents per share, $96 for the whole contract. I think it's so early for the Christmas tree. Yes. Yeah, I usually Thanksgiving or Black Friday, that's usually when my tree goes up. Here, real quick, let's see what. Oh, you're talking about the whole chapter. I thought you meant the whole. I thought you had a verse. I'll have to. Here, let me see. Let's do this for now, just so I can get the. Oh, I got you. I got you. I just got the summary. Yeah, this is just for the reviews and stuff. Hey, peace out, Mahishu. Yeah, it just sucks. I had cash to cash everything out to make my bills every day. Taxes are going to be. It seems like there should be some kind of exception for that. Like whenever it comes to like taxes. That's annoying though. That is very annoying. Honestly, it doesn't even seem like that much work to put together. You know, I've never actually had Portillo's. Maybe I need to take my wife there this weekend because yeah, I've never actually had it. You would think there is not, and it think there is not, and it sucks. I have to rebuild. Hey, well, bright side is there will likely be some kind of like sell off. And it's like if you have to sit on your hands right now, yeah, honestly, I don't know. It's like I don't know, you might be able to rebuild it a little stronger, learn a little better. It's annoying to have to start over, but you'll probably be able to build it in a way where it's more resilient and set you up a little bit better in the future. But yeah, that does kind of that really does suck. All right, I'm gonna get this out of my room real quick. It doesn't really seem like it's gonna take that much work. All right, still trying to pull on down. All right, so we're kind of below that 13 EMA. Had some good selling off pressure on the 1 hour. We got 47 minutes till the 4 hour closes. We got 18 minutes till Euro closes. Nice thing is I am only 26, so I have a lot of life to live. Hey, that's honestly good. It's really good. Also, Devin, you haven't been I know you haven't been here, and I don't know when you'll be back, but one that has been looking good for like long term, that might be one to potentially put in there. UPS. I know it looks beat up right now, but yeah, it's at an attractive level, attractive valuation. There's some liquidity right here. It might honestly, it might happen. Like if they don't if the shutdown doesn't like halt soon, it might move a little bit too soon because I think it has earnings in a couple weeks. But it's at some levels where it's like they still like everything up to the 200 EMA. Like it should be valued at least above that 200 EMA. It's like kind of wild. I want to do put for quick cash. Unfortunately, so here's what I'm gonna say. Uh, the quick, I have a put. Like I'm in a spy put. Like I have one that I'm in for the day. I have the one that I held from yesterday. I picked up one yesterday too. I'll just say like the quick cash game though. I would say it's almost like a road to destruction a little bit. So I would just say be careful. That's all I'm gonna say. Dang, Ethereum almost down like 4%. Because they do like to like right after they send it down, they don't like to leave it there. Like whenever it's like, oh, let's show all these people all this money, you gotta take them profits quick. Kava is better, but Portillo is all right. So I don't know. What do you get at Kava? Oh, it's starting to you know when you have something so much, sometimes it's like it's wearing off a little bit on me. Hold up, I think there is someone in the. Oh no, never mind. We're good. We're good. So still trying to sell off a little bit. Oh, yeah, I'm trying to send my wife something. Where'd it go? There we go. The harissa chicken pita, so good. The thing is, I get it 2 to 3 times. I mean, hey, that's true. There are times I've had it 2 to 3 times in a week. It's I'll say it's been a minute, but we got this place called Piata out here. It's supposed to be Italian street food, but their Piata is, I don't know, it's very similar to like the pita. And that thing is fire. That is a place that has not like rubbed off on me or like worn off. I'm not sure if they have them other places, but if you're in ever in like the DFW area, bro, you gotta, if you like kava, you gotta try Piata, man. Yeah, we're just kind of like stair stepping our way on down. Oh, here. So look, let's see if we can draw some trend lines. Oh, I forget that video hasn't come out yet. All right, so let's have that right there. Is this where we opened today? No, that was pre-market. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this holds up. We'll see. See if we lose anything over here. Oh, that 4 hour candle. Ooh, the sellers are strong. If in the four, if we are anywhere near where we are in the next 40 minutes or lower, I'm gonna say it's not looking too good for the Bulls today. It's like they may not want to give it in the morning, but they might give it up. They might give it up later today. It's right now it's a slow burn kind of day, but if it goes on, could get nasty. The start of the trend is at that 651 if we break that trend line. Mm. What is this? Okay, trying to do a little more selling. Okay. Gold's not like it's not showing the strength I would have wanted it to show. Here, let's pull Bitcoin back up. Oh, Bitcoin is kind of showing more strength. All right, hey, down to 658.72. All right, we're at that trend line though. We'll have to see what happens here. Do also want to know that there was this was this pre-market? Yeah, that's pre-market liquidity. So we had to push up. So there is some liquidity at like the 658.33 area as well. Oh, that put we picked up today, it's up like 70%. Honestly, I'm gonna say I'm nearing my I was like I think we could fall more, but I'm nearing my take profit on that one because the market likes to play games. So might just have to let's see. We might have to check in on that one. Yeah, that's at about 80% right now. It's a 657 put. We still got 35 minutes on this. But we're like cutting into this. Let's slide this up. What's happened? Set that like right there. All right, so we're testing the trend line. Contracts up like 82%. Trying to push it green now. We got 2 minutes till Euro close. See how this treats us. Minute and a half. Man, Oracle is feeling it today. Shoot, Oracle might shoot, it might close that gap to 244. It might be a stretch, but it might not. My goodness. Oracle, bring the market with you. What else? AMD's down pretty solid today too. All right, 40 seconds till Euro close. I was just about to do a put on it. Do a put on what? All right, so we got Euro close. As of right now, we're still holding up. Still got about 30 minutes till the close of the 4 hour. Looks like we're trying to move higher right now. A little bit. Put on Oracle. Oh, okay. It might be a little pricey. It did that one kind of hurts. So next support on Oracle is gonna be around like 85, 86. It looks like, oh, that's a 15 minute. But yeah, it looks like I got it around like 80 or 285, 70. So I would say watch out for that area. Hey, good night, Stanley. Hey, have a blessed day. Sweet dreams. Is there a gap to fill on silver 1 day chart? I would say his gaps look like they're filled. Like it looks like it already filled this gap in. So I would say anything beyond here does not need to be filled. It's just it dropping. On the 4 hour, there's like room to go to like honestly this 13 EMA, but that would be it. All right, so we're testing the trend line again on the SPY. Spotify is partnering with Sony, Universal, and Warner on AI music products. Interesting. All right, what's gonna happen here? Let me check us out on a 5. All right, so I see what needs to be seen on the 1 hour. I'm gonna drop that to a 15. I'm gonna slide this over to the 5. All right, so on the 5, we're actually below all three. Let me slide this over. And it looks like the 13 looks like it's preparing to cross below the 48 EMA on the 5. Still got how much time we got? Still got 24 minutes. Let's see. Rigetti is down like 8.5% on the day. That's wild. Okay, we're messing around below this trend line a little bit. Like to see it. Like to see it. All right, so I just sold out of that put I bought earlier. I sold out at 197. So I still have a put on the SPY, but I just sold out just because I didn't want to hold too many. So yeah, so we might still move some more. I took profit on that other one. I think it was like 90%. Let me see. What was it, like 105 to 187? All right, yeah. So took about 88% profit on that. All right, and let's see if we get any kind of. So we're sweeping liquidity right here. Could potentially push it back up to. It's like 659, like 70 something area. But hey, always a good day when you grab like a solid, what was it? 88% on a 0 DT. I'll call that a win. Now, if we get nasty in my other one from yesterday, we'll start waking up too. And that'll be money I could have had on the 0DT, but also I'm not just trying to have everything trying to run like that. But yeah, we are below the trend line. PTLO. There we go. Here, let's I don't think I like the price action on this. What was the reason that we're looking at this? I see they got price target cuts. But yeah, this doesn't look like anything I would normally this is not anything I would trade. The volume looks too low on this. This looks like something if you wanted to invest over a long time, you can do that, but yeah, this doesn't look like anything I would actually trade. Yeah, I'll probably have to try their actual food, but the stock, I think I will have to pass on that, unfortunately. All right, so seeing a little bit of buying at that sweep of liquidity. We'll see if it actually ends up if we can get above all these EMAs right here. All right, so we're actually above all the EMAs right there. All right, so yeah, we saw a little pop right there. So that kind of trade. Here, that's the trade we took today. How much of a $1.87? I feel like it took $2 and wait. Oh, four. Okay, there we go. I was like, I feel like the move was a lot more than that. So yeah, that's the first trade on the day. That one was a solid one. Here, oh no, it looks like gold's trying to come up again. Let's see. What's Amazon doing? Okay, it's chilling. Yeah, that sweep of liquidity was some. Yeah, we might push up to this. What was this resistance was over here? Because that's where it was before. Like this. Was it like 661.30? That'd probably be the target from that. So yeah, Euro close is sending us up. I might have to take this hoodie off. It's getting a little hot. right, so trying to push down a little bit. Let's see. I think for now, I'm gonna close the put I swung from yesterday too. Just because I'm still up overall on my SPY stuff. Wait, did that? Oh no, that tried to sell too high. Hmm. Yeah, just because it expires today. There we go. Yeah, I closed out of that. Let me make sure I didn't share that with the family yesterday. That way, just so I don't have to. Oh, I did share that with the family. So that's gonna look kind of bad, but just close out of. What's up, Jerry? There we go. Oracle Green next week, easy call. You know what? Yeah, let's look at that actually. Yeah, this does look like a really good area to buy it. Honestly, it's a pretty solid area support. Let's look around. Oh, here, let me put this back on too. So we got the weekly here. When are their earnings? It's not till December. Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave it alone until like it, cause it can fall more. So I'm gonna leave it alone. If it happens to come to this 270 area, I might do something. But for now, I'm gonna still leave it alone. Or actually, you know what? We'll add an alert on the 200 EMA as well. Ramiro, top of the morning. Hey, what's up? Not stocks. I'll say that. Hold on, let's see. Ex-Trump advisor pleads not guilty to charges of mishandling classified information. Okay. Yeah, SPY pushing up a little bit. Maybe stocks are up. I don't know. Yeah, so we've been moving up since Euro close. Okay, some more reason for Oracle. Look at their 25, 50, 100 average hits. Yeah, so I'm waiting. I'm looking. The 48 is going to be the equivalent to theirs, but I'm looking. Was trying not to sell trigger until 30 or more, but it's difficult to have a percentage profit trigger on options unless it's like tight and unless it's like a like something you have more time on because of the nature of them. You had Wells Fargo put is that W is Wells Fargo WFC? Yeah. Took today off to sleep in, but woke up 30 minutes. Hey, nice, nice. Yeah, just took profit on some spy puts. Had some nice profit on those. Hey, good stuff, Romero. One thing that I picked up on, one thing that is interesting that I picked up on this stream, since you said you're looking for opportunities, uh, Amazon, if we look on the weekly, they just pulled back to some liquidity on the weekly, which ideally would send it up to about 236. And they have earnings on the 30th. So I grabbed a November 7th call on Nvidia. I'm gonna actually I might actually grab a different one. Might swap it out. Check the deltas on these. Yeah, the one I have isn't quite as nice. I like the kind of like the 235 more or the 240. Delta's not anything crazy for them, but I think it has like really solid potential, especially like coming into earnings. I might get that. Plus, Amazon is down 7% month to date. Yeah, Amazon's at a really good level. You got weekly liquidity here. You got the 48 EMA here. You got earnings coming up. We just needed to break that trend line, but it's at a pretty solid support. Honestly, it might even be here. Let me see what it's looking like for that week of earnings. Because I might be able to play a earnings run up. I really like the Amazon. Like just looking at it from here, I feel like this is a good spot to buy just for a bounce, like no matter what. So even if we were looking at it on like the 4 hour and we wanted to play to, I don't know, like this 218 area, I still feel like it's a good kind of go. But I'll just stick with what I have for now. Yeah, I'll just stick with it. Or just bought a Amazon call. Hey, be careful with the one for the 31st. I what I would say about that is I would probably look to sell that coming into like before their earnings because their earnings is on the 30th. I got the November 7th because of sometimes they like to hold the price back for their earnings. So I just want to say that. Plotting AMZ. I don't really like AMZU. Like if anything for options, I don't like it. It's like if you're gonna buy the shares, that's cool, but I don't like their options. They don't get enough. It's too hard to get in and out of those. Looking at the November two, that meme that looks like a good. That's a good strike in my eye too. Oracle starting to pump as well. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, it's starting. It's trying to move a little bit. Like I at least need to see it come hit. What is it? This right here, like 285 something. Cause that's an area too. That's an area of interest. Let's slide that down. Even that out. There we go. Heard I'm swinging for profit on that. Okay, cool. I hope for earnings run up too. I feel like it has it like the area Amazon's at. There should be solid buying pressure on the weekly. LOL AMD options. Advanced money destroyer. Hey, the shares are where it's at. All I gotta say, AMD shares treat me right. I don't even care about the option. Oh dang, yo, it pulled back. It's pulling back up. It is what it is. Okay. Yeah, in that 5 cent increment. Yeah, feel that. Let's see. Yeah, SPY trying to push back up. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody gets that way. Hold up. What is this? All right, there we go. Hey, looking good on the likes, family. Appreciate y'all smashing the like button. Yo, looking good. Yeah, so I think 8:30 is the time on Friday. We still got the move. Like yeah, it was solid. It was kind of slow to start the day, but we got a solid trade in. I think it was like a what 88% profit on that one put I grabbed. It wasn't like it wasn't like obvious, but it was nice seeing it. Philip, hey, what's up? Uh, dang, coming in right as about to get off. Hey, Philip, do you still have your wolf and everything? I feel like I've seen wolves being going crazy. There was another one that you were in too. I'm like, oh yeah, that one looks like it's been doing well. I'm like, yo, how's my man Philip been doing? I appreciate that, Philip. Yeah, all is well. All is well. And oh yeah, I'm happy. Happy to hear that, man. Happy to hear that, cause it was like, bro, I remember when you were talking about it day to day, and it's like there wasn't anything happening. But yeah, yeah, I've been in and out of BMNR, been in and out, but glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. BMNR is it's getting juicier again though. If it can pull back to 46, it looks even better. Looks even better. Just for future reference though, on Fridays I'm doing 8:30, and I try to schedule the live stream. So just want to do that. Glad to hear that, Philip. That is great to hear, man. Yeah, because sometimes you wonder. You said 46 is your DCA. And it looks like a good level to like get in. But hey, with that being said, family, that's going to do it for today. Took one trade on Steam to strained to two. Entered like a call on Amazon because they look like they are good, like kind of for their earnings. Like this is a good level for upside, and then grab that put that we took 88% on the. Be back same time again next week, and then if you're on the private ones, we'll be back at 10:30 Monday through Thursday. With that being said, family, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Meme. Peace out, Ramiro. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Black Rain. Peace out, Samuel. Let's see. Peace out, Jerry. Peace out, Dominique. Yeah, yeah, that's gonna do it for the family. Once again, Matthew Mayo signing off. And peace out, Master DRC. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.